Hey guys, so we're back here again, enjoying this beautiful sunny day. Today it's like 68 degrees, and then tomorrow's gonna be 40 again. So, but we just put the exhaust, fit perfect. Sorry for the light. Fit perfect, sounds nice. I'll show you how it sounds after a while. We're gonna do the covers now. Z900. Okay, 8 millimeters for the screws, 8 millimeters. Okay, for this sizes, Allen wrenches. On my other video I talked when I took the exhaust off, but right now Peter's over here. He's taking out 3 bolts that we need to put that cover. I did a video on the frame sliders. Now we're gonna do the covers. So it's 8 millimeters. That's what I got so far. And as we progress, I'll make a video. Maybe I'll turn it on for you guys and all that. Whoa, all that dirt. So we'll be adding more things to it. No, la cosita de atrás, eso no me ha llegado. So, as you can see, guys. As you can see, it looks pretty cool. Fits perfectly on this side. I guess the spacers, we forgot to put the spacers, had to go to the other one because we placed it in the other side. But we placed it up where it's supposed to go. Spacers looking beautiful. Yes, looking good. As you can see. Now the place where I bought it from, they didn't give me like any discount. They didn't sponsor my video, so I'm not going to be giving no links to where to get them. Just showing that it does look good and they look really sturdy and strong. Like I said, the sellers, they don't sponsor my channel or anything like that, or give stuff for me to review, so I won't be showing their stores. But now all we need is the thing in the back that I'm going to put it now that is red. Sorry, I know it's a lot of sun. I try to get everything to be red. Get the exhaust too. Perfect. Looking good. It sounds beautiful. We're gonna have Pito turn it on. Pito, turn it on so they can hear how it sounds. I thought the exhaust wasn't gonna make a difference, but the sound, my goodness, sounds pretty nice. Oh yeah. Nice sound, man. Yeah, I like it. I don't need it louder than that. You can make it stronger, but also I bought this, the carbon fiber cover for the exhaust. Again, the seller has nothing to do with my channel. They don't give me nothing to review, so I won't be putting their links, but just showing you guys. If you find it, I'll tell you, you can find them on AliExpress. On AliExpress, you go and you'll find all the parts for the Z900. You know, you choose whatever seller suits you. Some of them got good prices. Others have, I think, very crazy prices. So we're gonna go for a ride. We're gonna put the back swing arm slider, I believe. We're gonna put them now, and then we're out. Estamos con Pito. We gotta add some air, man. I can feel that it's missing air, but everything's looking good on it. I gotta say, it's a smooth ride, people. Just not loud because I don't have the full exhaust, but whatever, it's good. I like it the way that it is. Bueno, está chilling aquí, mira. Se fue para Florida, ahora está aquí. Se está en todos los lados. Para Santo Domingo, ese está para todos los lados. Aquí estamos, nos parqueamos un rato con Pito. We are here in Broadway Street. Look at this little bee. It's old bee, but that thing looks nice, man. Huh? Look at that. Nice and chromed out. Things looking good. Nice little ride today to break it in. Just wanted to show you. This is just a few of the people. We get a lot, but I wanted you guys to also see. Look at how it looks with the engine covers. Got the exhaust. Let's go on that side. I wanted to show you guys with the So looking good with the exhaust. Looking good, guys. We're ready for this summer. I think it's so comfortable and powerful. Super powerful. I gotta tell you people, man, this thing is smooth. I can't believe how comfortable this thing is. It's crazy, crazy comfortable. Crazy comfortable, man. I couldn't believe it. I know with that exhaust, it doesn't sound as loud because it's not a straight pipe, but it's good enough for me. I don't want no more sports bike or none of that. This one, it was so comfortable that even as I was leaning, in the sports bike, I would be afraid of leaning. In this one, I wasn't afraid. I would lean, and then it was comfortable. It came like naturally, you know? So I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the parts that I put in it. They're really solid. Yes, I bought them in AliExpress. I will not tell you the sellers. The only time I give you sellers is when they actually work with me. They actually give me things to review or give me good prices. I'll give you the sellers. Other than that, I do not give you the sellers of things. So, but now you know. 2021 Kawasaki Z900. All right? And don't mind I know. Praise God. Peter, you got something to say?
No.
They can't even see
Good.
you.
Yeah. The sun.
That sun. How about now, Peter? Oh, yeah. Peace out.